let us try to know in brief what is the plot of the short story The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry. So this question is very important for the examination. What is the plot of The Last Leaf? In brief, you can answer just like this. So first of all, let me explain the gist of this short story. What is the story of The Last Leaf and how many characters are there, and what happens with our characters? So there are 4 characters, only 2 young characters, that is Jauncey and Sue, and other characters are Behmen and the doctor. In total there are only 4 characters. The doctor is also an old person and Behmen is also an old person. He is a painter. Jauncey and Sue, they both are young and they both are artists. So The Last Leaf, it is a short story and it was published in 1907. It is the story, it is set in Greenwich Village, and Greenwich Village now it is known as the colony for the artist, because most of the artists they live in this village. So now this village is started to be known as the artist colony, and it is set during a pneumonia epidemic. Okay, when this epidemic, this disease come in this village named pneumonia. So what is the plot of this story? The Last Leaf is concerned with Jauncey. Okay, this is a young girl. This is she is an artist, or we can say that she has always a dream in her mind to paint or to portray that was the Bay of Naples. Means Jauncey as a young artist, as a young girl, she always wanted to visit Italy. It was her dream and she wanted to paint the Bay of Naples. So the plot of this story is concerned with Jauncey. She is a young woman and now she falls ill. She gets ill because of this epidemic, because of pneumonia, and she is seriously ill with this disease pneumonia. She believes that when the ivy vine on the wall, okay, there was an ivy creeper on the wall outside her window. When the ivy vine on the wall loses all its leaves, she will also die. So this was the fancy, or this was the misconception of Jauncey, that she thinks so that she will give up this world. She will give up this life at the moment of the last leaf will come down of its ivy, of its creeper. So now nobody knows that from where she has got this idea. She will also die, and now her neighbor is Behmen, and Behmen is a very main character. He is an artist, he is an old person, and he tricks her, he tricks Jauncey by painting a leaf on the wall. So this is the main plot, that Behmen, what he does, he paints a leaf on the wall only to save the life of Jauncey. And now Behmen, he gets success in doing this, because Jauncey, she takes that painted leaf as real and she started to recover. But what happens to Behmen, that old painter? Behmen, because he had worked throughout the night in rainy night, or in stormy or snowy night, now he dies because he had caught pneumonia. And why he caught pneumonia? Because he was painting throughout the night on the wall. He was painting the leaf. So our this hero, our this old person, old painter, he dies. So this was the smallest plot of this story, The Last Leaf. The life of Chauncey, but the death of Bayman. Another most important question is that the last leaf is the symbol of what? Or the last leaf is the sign of what? So the last leaf, the title is very important here because the last leaf is a symbol of despair. It is a sign of despair and it changes in the sign of hope. It is the sign, that is, we can say that from despair it converts into hope. Chauncey, she had lost all hopes of her life due to pneumonia, due to being fallen in this disease, and she thought that when the last leaf will fall, she will also die. So this is a symbol of the last leaf, is a symbol of despair.